Hi, this is Angela Sewell from Boone High School in Orlando, Florida, with our vocabulary concepts of the day, unitary systems versus federal systems. A unitary system is where the government power is concentrated at the national level. There's one level of government, and all the power is concentrated in that central government. Now, that government can devolve or delegate powers to state or regional or local governments, but ultimately, the power rests with the central government, and anything they give out, they can take back. It results in one set of laws, and so it may be a little bit more efficient in that sense because there's just one set of laws for everyone. Examples of unitary systems are the United Kingdom, China, and Iran. Now, we also have federal systems, and that's where power is shared between different levels of government, usually between a central government or a national government and state or regional governments. And so they'll share powers. The local government, whether it's state, regional, will have some autonomy in certain areas. An example is usually education, but it results in multiple levels of government. Now, one of the arguments for a federal system that makes it good is that it can be more responsive because the local governments can respond more quickly to the needs of the people in their locality. Examples of governments with a federal system are Mexico, Nigeria, and Russia.